question 22, the conclusion is that the bacteria detect the color red by noting how much chlorophyll how much energy their chlorophyll is producing. But if answer choice D is true, and you can give them blue light that produces just as much energy, exactly the same amount of energy, then if the way that the detection works is that they're monitoring the amount of energy produced by their chlorophyll, and the blue light produces just as much energy, then the bacteria would move to the blue light just as much as to the red light. But in D, they do produce just as much energy under that blue light, and yet they don't move into those blue areas. If that's true, they've got just as much energy in the blue areas as they have in the red areas, and they move to the red areas, not the blue areas. It sounds like detection of their energy production is not the way they're deciding where to move. Because if that were the way, why wouldn't they move to the blue areas? They're getting just as much energy production there. Answer choice D tells us there's something else going on. It's not a function of the detection of how much energy they've used. Same energy, and yet they come to one place instead of the other. It doesn't tell me what else is going on, but it does tell me something else is going on, and that works strongly against the conclusion that it was all about energy detection. That's why D is the right answer. So here's the deal with these free videos. They're intended to serve a very narrow purpose. For those times when you're wondering, why is that the right answer? You can just come here for a complete library and find out why it was the right answer. And I hope that you'll find that it was very instructive. Of course, the other part of the deal is that since LSAC publishes all of their tests along with test keys, that means that there's no barrier to entry for test prep. And you can hear the air quotes, I hope. Anybody can, and lots of people have, set up shop and called themselves test prep companies, and they've got the questions, they've got the answer keys, and they just try to explain to you why the right answer is right. And then they charge you money for it? That is wrong. I want to put a stop to it. I want to sweep the legs right out from under them. It is bad for you. It's bad for me too. So if you want to know what the right answer is and why the right answer is right, I want you to be able to come here and find it out for free without paying anybody for it. That's very different from what I do in the paid course. What I think has value about what I do is that I can tell you ahead of time what every question wants from you, what to expect from the right answer, how to formulate a right answer, and then how you can expect wrong answers to sound, so that you know before you ever open up a test book exactly what to expect. And all the practice videos that are part of the paid course are just me putting that theory into practice. It's just the rubber meeting the road. In other words, I'm going to show you, based on what we've done before, how we're going to react when it comes up next time. And that bit, knowing what to do the next time you see something, that I think is worth paying for. And if you agree, I'd love to have you in the course. And if not, that's fine too. Don't pay anybody to explain why right answers are right. Just watch these for free. Enjoy.